Greetings to everyone, dear friends. You are on the Nevestate channel. Today, I would like to share some information with you about a new upcoming project from a developer in Dubai who is already, you could say, world-renowned. In my personal opinion, they are among the top 5 best developers. We have with us a representative of developer Magomed, who will briefly tell us about the project, the key features of the property, starting prices, payment plans, location, and so on.
Good afternoon. Yes, as Alibek mentioned, we have a new project coming up. The location is just incredible. It is in very high demand. The location is called Jumeirah Heights. It is located right near JLT. If we zoom in a bit on the community itself, Jumeirah Heights is situated in this area. This location, which is located between Jumeirah Island, is a huge lake with islands where the villas are located. This location is considered one of the very best in terms of location and views, because here you get views of the sea, the water, greenery, and low-rise projects. In other words, nothing blocks the view. And here we can take a closer look at the project itself. It will consist of 37 residential floors. We will also have 3 podium levels for parking and a ground floor, where there will be retail spaces, a reception, and a couple of amenities. The building is positioned in such an interesting way that this section is completely dedicated to amenities in this project, so as not to take up extra space in the residential part of the building. So what exactly is included in the amenities? There's a huge swimming pool for 150 square meters, and as usual, you have a barbecue area, gyms, and yoga zones. Among the individual amenities, we have barbershops, podcast rooms, and movie theaters. There's even a golf simulator. So when it comes to amenities, Ellington always tries to stand out, because we understand that for rental purposes, the quality and quantity of amenities play a huge role.
The location has been very thoughtfully planned. So you could say this front part faces Jumeirah Islands, and that's our eastern side.
Yes.
Which means that's the sunrise side just over there, you know?
Right.
Here we have the western side. So for those who
Yes.
prefer to enjoy sunsets, especially Arabian sunsets, they can appreciate something here.
Also, the placement of the pool itself is done in a very smart way, because from morning till evening, sunlight reaches this area. And not only does this side have an open view of Jumeirah Island, but this side does as well. Because the building is set at a slight angle, more than half of the building has an open view.
All right. Magomed, can you briefly share if there's any information about the prices yet?
Yes.
And what layouts will there be? What will the building offer?
In this project, we will offer 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom apartments, as well as a premium 4-bedroom penthouse on the top floor of the duplex. As for the size, we expect the 1-bedroom apartments to be around 82 to 83 square meters, which is noticeably above the market average. The 2-bedroom apartments will be approximately 110 to 120 square meters. We will also offer 2-bedroom units with additional rooms. And of course, the largest 3-bedroom apartments will have the best views with open views. As for the prices, we expect them to be around 2,550 per square foot. If we convert that to the total area, a 1-bedroom will be about 2 million dirhams.
So you can actually consider this as an option for the Golden Visa, and according to the new rules, you don't have to wait for the project to be completed. You can already apply for consideration and get approval for the Golden Visa at the initial stage with the first payment.
Yes. 2-bedroom apartments will be around 3 million dirhams. And for 3-bedroom apartments, we're looking at about 3.8 to 4 million dirhams.
The payment plan, I guess, is probably 70-30, right?
As usual, yes, 70-30, 70% during construction, 30% upon handover.
Magomed, thank you very much. This is really valuable information. And for those who are considering this as an investment option or for rental purposes, there is huge potential for price growth during the construction period. Construction will take 3 years. Completion is scheduled at the end of 2028.
Yes.
So 3 years with an installment plan and possibly a further resale after paying 40%. So for those who want to get more information, you can follow the link below, send me a request, and I will explain how we can participate and secure the right unit in this project. Thank you for being with us.